Welcome! Today in front of me Oppo A1K, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and right there you'll see the edit icon. Just tap on the icon, and as can you see here we got two sections, the up one and the down section. And if you want, you can add these icons from the down section to your notification bar. Just you have to hold for a while the icon and drag this icon here on the up section by this way. And as can you see, we can have here only 16 icons on our notification bar. So just to add one icon here, you should remove the another icon from your notification panel. So now just to add one more icon, just tap here, and as can you see, the last icon on our notification panel just is here now on our down section. So, and if you want to just remove one from the icon, just hold for a while and drag it here to the down position, and now you can, for example, add the start recording icon to our notification panel. Also, if you want, you can just change the position of the icons on the notification bar. Just hold the icon and drag it to the position where you want to just change by this way. And then just to save all the changes, tap here on the right upper corner to done. And now you can see all the changes. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.